Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're slicing into something every home chef or food lover should have, electric meat slicers. Whether you're prepping deli-style sandwiches, slicing meats for a charcuterie board, or just want consistent professional cuts at home, an electric slicer can seriously level up your kitchen game. We're breaking down what makes a great slicer and which features to look out for before you buy. All the product links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Let's get started and find the perfect slicer for your needs. Number 5. OSDBA 200W Electric Deli Meat Slicer. Transform your kitchen into a deli-style haven with the OSDBA 200W Electric Deli Meat Slicer. This sleek, silver slicer combines power, precision, and safety to bring professional-grade slicing to your home. Precision at your fingertips. Whether you're crafting paper-thin prosciutto or hearty slices of artisan bread, the adjustable thickness dial has you covered. The 7.5-inch stainless steel serrated blade delivers consistent, sharp cuts for a variety of foods, including meat, cheese, vegetables, and fruits. With thickness options ranging from ultra-thin to 3/4 inches, you'll achieve chef-like results effortlessly. Power meets performance. Number 4. Cucade Electric Meat Slicer. Simplify meal prep and elevate your culinary experience with the Cucade Electric Meat Slicer, a powerful and durable tool designed for effortless slicing. With advanced technology and user-friendly features, this slicer is perfect for deli-style sandwiches, charcuterie boards, and more. Advanced technology for superior performance. Unlike traditional gear-driven slicers, the Cucade features a patented bearing and belt transmission system. This eliminates the need for lubricants, making it more reliable, durable, and easier to maintain. Say goodbye to oily hands and tedious maintenance. This slicer works smoothly every time. Precision with upgraded blade workmanship. The Cucade slicer comes equipped with a 7.5-inch 316 stainless steel blade, a premium upgrade from standard 304 stainless steel. This blade offers superior corrosion resistance and exceptional sharpness, allowing you to slice food evenly and effortlessly without sticking. Versatile thickness control. Achieve your desired slice thickness with ease using the adjustable range of 0.04 to 0.87 inches. From ultra-thin cuts for deli meats to thicker slices for bread and cheeses, this slicer adapts to all your kitchen needs. Please note, defrost frozen meats before slicing for optimal results. Easy to clean and maintain. Designed with convenience in mind, the removable blade, food carriage, and pusher are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Cuisinart Kitchen Pro Food Slicer. Elevate your kitchen capabilities with the Cuisinart Kitchen Pro Food Slicer, a powerful and durable tool that delivers professional quality slicing in the comfort of your home. Designed for precision, safety, and convenience, this slicer is your secret weapon for seamless meal prep. Precision at every turn. The adjustable slice control knob allows you to customize thickness from an ultra-thin 1/32 inch to a hearty 1/2 inch. Whether you're crafting delicate charcuterie boards, slicing cheese for sandwiches, or cutting perfectly even bread slices, the 7.5-inch undulated stainless steel blade ensures smooth and consistent results. Built to last? Constructed with premium-coated steel and die-cast aluminum housing, the Kitchen Pro is as durable as it is stylish. The removable stainless steel carriage enhances its performance, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. With its heavy-duty 130-watt motor, this slicer powers through a variety of foods effortlessly. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. Designed with convenience in mind, the Cuisinart Kitchen Pro features removable components, including the blade, food guide, and stainless steel carriage. This ensures quick and thorough cleaning, keeping your slicer hygienic and ready for its next use. Safety and stability. Non-slip feet provide stability during operation, while the sturdy construction ensures your slicer stays firmly in place. The thoughtful design reduces the risk of mishaps, allowing you to focus on creating your culinary masterpieces with confidence. Number 2. Chefman Electric Deli Slicer. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Chefman Electric Deli Slicer, a powerful and compact solution for creating perfectly sliced foods right at home. Whether prepping lunch, snacks, or party platters, this slicer delivers precision, safety, and ease of use. Sliced to perfection. From deli meats and cheeses to crusty bread and fresh fruits, the Chefman Slicer handles it all with precision. The adjustable thickness dial lets you customize slices to your desired size, whether paper-thin for charcuterie or thicker for hearty sandwiches. The sharp 7.5-inch serrated stainless steel blade ensures consistent results every time. Compact and space-saving. Measuring just 9 inches by 12 inches, this slicer fits neatly on your countertop or in your cabinets without taking up valuable space. Its sleek black design complements any kitchen decor, making it a practical and stylish addition to your culinary toolkit. Perfect for everything from homemade jerky to gourmet appetizers, it's a versatile must-have for any food enthusiast. Built for ease and durability. Powered by a 180W motor, the Chefman Slicer smoothly cuts through meats, cheeses, and vegetables. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable and retractable blade, along with the durable die-cast aluminum housing. With proper care, this slicer promises lasting performance for all your slicing needs. Safety first. Safety is at the forefront of the Chefman design. Non-slip feet keep the slicer securely in place, while the blade safety guard and food pusher protect your hands during operation. The easy-to-use on-off switch provides added security, ensuring a safe slicing experience every time. Number 1. Borlebi 200W Electric Food Slicer. Bring professional-grade slicing into your kitchen with the Borlebi 200W Electric Food Slicer. This versatile and durable machine is designed for effortless slicing of meats, cheeses, bread, and vegetables, making it an indispensable tool for home chefs. Power and precision. The 200W motor delivers powerful slicing performance, cutting through a variety of foods with ease. The adjustable thickness control knob offers precise customization, ranging from ultra-thin slices to a thickness of 15 millimeters. Whether you're preparing charcuterie boards, deli-style sandwiches, or neatly sliced vegetables, this slicer delivers consistent results every time. Dual blades for versatility. The Borlebi Slicer comes equipped with two 7.5-inch stainless steel blades, ensuring you always have the right blade for the job. The blades are perfect for handling different food types, while the accompanying stainless steel tray keeps your slices neatly organized, streamlining your food prep process.